Hi there, and welcome to PSM's main facility located in Jupiter, Florida. My name's Lonnie Houck, and I'm the director of the workshop operations in charge of all the manufacturing that happens here locally at PSM. Here at PSM, we have about 170,000 square foot facility with over 100,000 of that dedicated purely to the manufacturing, repair, and overhaul of industrial gas turbine parts. We have a lot of different processes, special processes here at PSM that really makes us unique into the value stream, where we can handle a lot of different manufacturing from start to finish, which normally exists in specialized machine shops all over the world. We're standing right now in our high bay area, which is what I call machining center number 1. We have a lot of EDM machines over here to the left, electrical discharge machining, both plunge, wire, and fast hole drilling. We have a large VTL, traditional manufacturing back there, 3-axis milling machines on the right, and in another area we have our 5-axis machining center. We have 2 different types of additive manufacturing machines. This is a laser powder welder, which is just one machine that's used for a lot of different things in both the repair and new make lines. We have our own heat treat furnaces, and I'm standing actually in the thermal spray department right now, or our coatings booth, one of our largest departments at PSM, where we have the capability of applying all different types of ceramic and metallic coatings to the component. We're very cellular organized here. We're focused on different product lines. As you learn the gas turbine, you'll understand the different product lines that we have, but we have rotating, stationary, combustion, and the fuel system services. We're all very color coded. As you can see, the thermal processing group behind me is all green, and those guys are dedicated to the application of all the different types of coating and quality services. So again, my name's Lonnie Houck, Director of Workshop Operations here at PSM, and welcome.